Whoa, what is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. What is happening? So, I'm just kind of doing some late night stuff. Always want to wear your eye protection. And you know what else I started to realize, just because I always got masks laying around from, you know, the COVID and whatnot, is when you're doing like abrasive saw stuff, I don't know about you guys, but I always got like a sore throat after I was done doing a lot of grinding and stuff and cutting, and wearing a mask when I'm doing that has helped out a lot. So free game to you if you needed it. Oh, forgot the piece. So, alright, back to what I was saying. So I got this piece of metal here, and what I did was I had the OEM shift box unit, and I basically traced the outside edges of it, and I also traced the holes, put little circles where the bolt would be at, and since I just now cut it, I can actually do a little more tonight. The idea is basically to get this thing, that's way better. I had to cut off that section because this little lip right here was making it elevated, and now I have a flat surface. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill out the holes As you can see, you got this piece to stick through there, so let's get it mounted in the car. Alright, so I got the holes widened up, everything mounted up, and this is feeling pretty sturdy. But something I'm kind of realizing as I'm moving along here is this shifter is just awkward as hell, man. It's like it's tall. So here's a side by side of what the shifters look like, and what I was trying to figure out is just making sure that I'm gonna have my shifter virtually in the same spot as the stock one. So you can kind of see the holes line up right there. They're a little different in terms of the way they work. And I'm wondering if I will benefit from having the shifter up forward a little more. So this is basically the way that I think I can probably try to run it. This side right here will be on the other side of the sheet metal, and it will drive up through, so there'll probably be about this much space, leave me enough room for a washer and a nut on that side. This side right here has to be mounted at an angle, it looks like, and I'm not very good at geometry, because the issue is going to be, how am I going to have this mounted, and how am I going to mount the other shift box with this mounted first. This has to be mounted first. The back holes, fine, whatever, I don't have to worry about those ones, but the front two, how am I going to get those ones mounted up on there? That is the $1,000,000 question right now. Maybe I'll go draw some stuff up on some paper and kind of see. I really don't want to end tonight without figuring this out, but it is already 3 o'clock. Almost 4, 3:30. for the bottom part right here, I'd have to make like an angled piece. It'd have to be angled, and even then, it's still not going to be the best way to mount it. But as long as I have some rubber in there insulating the vibration, I shouldn't have to worry about any like metal to plastic causing cracks or anything. And this is pretty thick plastic right here, but it is just plastic, so adjusting it in any way is gonna compromise it. Yeah, so I'll write some stuff down on some paper. I'll try to figure it out, and hopefully by the next video I'll have something in mind. Get this, one of the last few steps in this swap here, figured out. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.